Dear viewers, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will show you quick selection tool, how it is work. Actually it is a selection tool, quick selection tool. The shortcut is W, and after selecting this tool we will see these items are pop up. Here is the default is plus. When I select it, default is plus. Then here is single, this is plus, this is minus. That means if I click this button, then I select this, you can see I'm quickly selecting. It is selecting whole the image. But if I hold down Alt, then I can subtract the selection. You can see, and it is only single. First time it is selected the whole image. Here is the brush size. This is pretty simple. Size, increase, hardness, and spacing. This is spacing, size of pen pressure, and here is sample all layers. If you have multiple layers and want to, you can select from it. If you click down it, and enhance image will enhance the image, enhance the edges of the image. And now this tool has to very good tool like select and mask button and select subject button. So if I click this, you can see, if I select this button, select subject, Photoshop will automatically select the subject. Yes, here is problem. So we can go for quick selection tool, plus button, and we can select this. It's more than I want. Let's decrease the brush size. Brush size is very important. We can increase and decrease the brush size according to. If brush size is larger, then selection will be larger, and for the small selection, subtract or adding, you can need the brush size is smaller. And finally there is select and marks. You know, if I click select and marks, then we will go for another dialog box where we can select the refine. Here refine is brush, also object selection tool. All the tools are here. So this is a very simple, pretty simple tool. I hope you got the point. So if you like this quick tutorial, please subscribe this channel so that you can get this type of videos regularly. Take care.